Never leave a floor hatch open without setting up bright safety barriers. However, employees must also watch where they step. Because this worker isn't looking at the ground, he walked blindly into the open hole. The worker suddenly lost his balance and fell to the ground. Just a few seconds earlier, everything looked normal. He had climbed a ladder to install a large chandelier. However, the ladder was not on stable ground. It had been placed on top of a staircase inside the house. As he tried to lift the chandelier, controlling it became difficult. The weight disrupted his balance, and it suddenly slipped from his hands. As the chandelier fell to the ground, the worker completely lost his balance and was thrown down along with the ladder. Fortunately, nothing serious happened. They even started laughing afterward, but working on an unstable surface can cause situations to get out of control within seconds. This time the forklift is not being used for work, but almost for entertainment. Two workers are sitting on a chair placed on the forklift's forks. As the operator begins to spin the vehicle, it starts to look like an amusement ride. As the forklift rotates, the workers sitting on the chair are thrown around in the air. At first, everything seems fun, but as the speed increases, balance is completely lost, and suddenly, the worker at the end of the forks is thrown off along with the chair and falls to the ground. These kinds of fun experiments can quickly get out of control because this equipment is not designed for games. It is built for serious work. This worker was right in the middle of a situation that could spiral out of control. Within seconds, everything seemed normal as he was welding on top of a large cylindrical tank. He was positioned safely and focused on his task, but unexpectedly, the cylinder suddenly began to rotate around its own axis. As the surface shifted beneath him, he lost his balance and was thrown downward. Holding on to such a load is nearly impossible. Fortunately, the safety system he was attached to activated in time. It prevented his fall and stopped the incident from turning into a serious accident. Working on rotating equipment always carries additional risks, and in such situations, proper safety gear can be life-saving. This worker didn't realize how quickly everything could change with a small imbalance. He was climbing a ladder leaned against a wall, carrying a heavy air conditioning unit on his back. At first, everything seemed under control. However, the ladder was not positioned at the correct angle and was slightly tilted to the side. As he climbed higher, the balance began to shift. Suddenly, the ladder slid to the left. At that moment, the load on his back shifted, and he lost control. The unit fell, followed by the ladder slipping completely, causing the worker to fall to the ground. An improperly placed ladder combined with additional weight can significantly increase the risk. Even a simple setup mistake. As a worker inside a warehouse, you must always keep walkways clear and accessible. Before moving heavy loads, you need to check your path for any obstacles. In this video, a worker pulling a pallet jack backwards trips over a jack left in the aisle. Do not touch public electrical units like this fan to adjust them. Always call the maintenance team, who have the right tools and insulated gear to safely handle electrical hazards without risking an incident. In this scene, things take a slightly different turn. Inside a warehouse, two workers are trying something unusual with a forklift. While the operator drives the vehicle, the other worker has attached himself to the equipment. The intention is clear, just a bit of fun. As the forklift moves, the worker begins swinging in the air. For a moment, everything seems under control, but the situation is entirely dependent on luck. In such actions, even a small loss of balance can instantly turn things dangerous. This time, no one was injured, but equipment is designed for work, not entertainment. Why are helmets required inside warehouses? Because objects can fall at any time. A box drops from the highest shelf, while an unprotected worker is standing directly below. To stay safe from falling hazards, you must always wear proper head protection. As a scooter driver, you must always stay clear of active loading zones. This rider completely ignores the danger and drives right under the forklift's arms. Thankfully, he made one good choice by wearing his helmet, and he was able to stand right back up. Never ignore warning barriers in a warehouse. A safety tape was put up to close off a path, but this employee decides to walk under it anyway. Almost immediately, a fast-moving forklift comes through. In this incident, a delay of just a few seconds could have led to very different outcomes. In the state of Indiana, USA, maintenance work was being carried out on the clock tower at Purdue University. The large clock face was being lowered by a crane, while the crew continued working directly beneath it. Everything seemed to be going as planned. However, the connections suddenly failed. The clock face went out of control and dropped rapidly. Just before it hit the ground, the workers standing directly underneath managed to move away at the last second. The difference between them and a serious accident was only a few seconds. No one was injured in this incident. However, working beneath heavy loads can turn into a serious hazard with even the smallest mistake. Can turn into an accident within seconds. This lifting operation appeared to be under control, but the balance was slowly being lost. A massive concrete panel weighing around 50 tons was being lifted by a crane. While the panel was suspended, several workers stood close to the load trying to guide it. At first glance, everything seemed to be going according to plan. However, as the load was being lowered, the crane began to tilt slightly. This small movement quickly escalated. The balance was completely lost, and the massive panel fell rapidly to the ground. Within seconds, the entire area was covered in a cloud of dust. In lifting operations like this, even a minor imbalance can lead to major consequences. Standing near a suspended load always poses a serious risk. By the time this operator realized the load had exceeded its limit, it was already too late. A heavy structural component was being lifted by a crane, and at first, the operation seemed normal. But while the load was in the air, the balance began to fail. The crane slowly started to tilt sideways. At that point, the danger was clearly visible. A nearby person quickly moved away, while the operator attempted to jump out of the cabin at the last moment. However, the tipping happened too fast. The crane completely lost control, and the cabin collapsed downward toward where the operator was. In lifting operations involving heavy loads, exceeding capacity can lead to irreversible consequences within seconds. In this scene, things go wrong because of a simple, just a little more. A worker is transporting mortar with a motorized wheelbarrow. A supervisor standing in front is signaling where to stop and unload. Everything seems under control until that critical moment. The supervisor gives the signal to stop, but the operator moves just a bit further. That's where everything changes. The vehicle suddenly tilts forward toward the lower dumping point. The worker standing on it loses his balance, is thrown into the air, and falls directly into the mortar. Although it may look briefly amusing, situations like this actually carry serious risks. Even a small misjudgment in distance can lead to a complete loss of control. In this scene, the situation is somewhat driven by necessity. The pit is quite deep, and it is almost impossible for the workers to climb out on their own. So, as a practical solution, they decide to use the excavator bucket. As the excavator slowly lifts upward, everything initially seems fine. Two workers hold on tightly as they are raised, but just as they approach the top, balance is lost. One of them loses his grip and suddenly falls back down into the pit where he started. Although it may seem humorous, such methods are extremely risky. Excavator buckets are not designed to carry people.